Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring where space is used so you can act precisely. Open Outlook's file info to view mailbox and archive sizes, then sort mail by largest to expose big attachments. Once done, empty deleted items and junk, because those often hold recoverable bytes. Make sure to compact local PSD or OSD files after large deletions to reclaim disk space. If you have an Exchange or Microsoft 365 account, check online archive options next to plan for longer retention. Now you act on the biggest culprits: attachments and old threads. Save bulky files to OneDrive or local storage, and then remove or replace them with links to shrink messages. Create auto-archive rules for items older than a chosen date and move historical email into an online archive if your account supports it, or into compact local PSDs. Use conversation cleanup to eliminate duplicate replies, and run targeted searches, such as has attachments. True to batch remove or export heavy messages. Finish by reducing how much mail synchronizes and by fixing residual file bloat. Change account sync to headers only or shorten the sync window to 3 months so your inbox stays slim. Then rebuild the OSD or repair the PSD, disable add-ins that create excessive local cache, and compact data files to reclaim space. If problems continue, reach out to your administrator to request a quota increase or a server-side cleanup. If you see sync errors, restart Outlook and rerun repair tools as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.